Yes, dear students, this is class 12 accountancy and our topic is retirement of partner and subtopic treatment of goodwill. This is question number 16 we are going to solve today. The question is X, Y and Z are partners in a business sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Z decides to retire from the firm on March 31st, 2002. On this date, goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 10,500. X and Y will share the future profits in the ratio of 4:3. Record the goodwill adjustment entries in the following cases. Number 1, when goodwill account is already appearing in the books at 30,000. Number 2, when no goodwill account is appearing in the books. Yes, look here, dear students. We have three partners here, X, Y, and Z. They are sharing their profits in the ratio 2:1. That is our old ratio is 2:1. It means X is equal to 2 by 5, Y is equal to 2 by 5, and Z is equal to 1 by 5. Z retires. And Z's share is equal to 1 by 5. This is already given. Goodwill of the firm is given here. Goodwill of the firm is 10,500. And one more thing is given here. The new ratio of the partners, new ratio is given that X is to Y, which is equal to X is to Y equal to 4:3, which means X is equal to 4 by 7, 4 plus 3 equals 7, and Y is equal to 3 by 7. First we will see the gaining ratio of these new partners or existing partners. Gaining ratio, which is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. New ratio minus old ratio. This is the formula, and we will first calculate the gaining ratio of X. X is gain. What is X is gain? X is new ratio. X is new ratio is 4 by 7 and minus X is old ratio, that is 2 by 5, which is equal to 5 4s are 20 minus 7 2s are 14 by 7 5s are 35, which is equal to 6 by 35. This is one result. X is gain, and Y is gain, which is equal to Y is new ratio, that is 3 by 7 minus Y is old ratio 2 by 5, which is equal to 5 3s are 15 minus 7 2s are 14 by 35, which is equal to 1 by 35. This is second result. Therefore, gaining ratio we know is equal to X is to Y, that is 6:1. This is very important. And we know our goodwill is 10,500. So Z's share of goodwill is equal to Z's share, original share, that is 1 by 5 into goodwill, that is 10,500. Let us simplify it. 5 1s are 5 5s are 5 2s are 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 0s are 5 0s are. It's equal to 2,100. 2100 हमारा Z's share of goodwill निकला. Let us solve this question ahead. Let's make the journal entry of this question. Journal. Dear students, you know the format of journal, that is, here we can write date, particulars, LF, ledger folio, debit amount, credit amount. We have two cases here when goodwill account is already appearing in the books of accounts at rate of 3000. So we can write here we are sharing the profits in the ratio 2:2:1 in the first case, old ratio. This is our old ratio. As per the old ratio, X is capital account, Y is capital account, and Z is capital account. DR, DR, DR. The goodwill account is being distributed among these three partners in the ratio 2:2:1 by the question here. So, to goodwill account. How much? Rupees 30,000 as per the question. So we have to distribute this in the ratio 2:2:1. Two parts to X, two parts to Y, and one part of this 30,000 to Z. That is 6 5s are 30, 12,000 to this X, 12,000 to Y, and 6,000 to Z. This is 2:2:1. So we can narrate here. Narration being Z's share of goodwill, or the goodwill being goodwill account, goodwill distributed among all partners in the ratio 2:2:1. This is given here. With this first part, we can write it X is, now another one is 6:1 here. 6:1. This is 6/35, 1/35, 6:1. X is capital account, 6:1. DR. Y is capital account, DR. And now we have to distribute Z's share of goodwill among these two partners X and Y in the ratio 6:1. That is to Z's share of goodwill, Z's capital account, that is 2,100. 2100 रुपए हमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने हैं X और Y में in the ratio of 6:1. That is 3 7s are 21. 300 एक पार्ट इसको मिलेगा 300, one portion to Y, and 6 equal parts to X, that is 1800, 1800. 18 plus 3 हो गया 2100. Being Z's share of goodwill distributed and adjusted, distributed among gaining partners in their gaining ratio, that is 6:1. Similarly, we can adjust the same. We can write the same, and here we can write adjusted instead of distributed. And this is all for today, dear students. I hope you would have understood this question fully, and you can solve more questions of the same method yourself. Tomorrow we will meet again. You can take this screenshot of this question or note it on your copybook. Till then, Take care and goodbye.